How does our favorite pet door of all time handle windy conditions? Let's find out. Hey folks, it's Adam with Outdoor Pet Solutions. On this channel, I help educate folks on the best pet doors as well as electronic dog fencing that's available. I'm a professional installer of both and have been installing these products for well over 20 years. And over that course of time, through trial and error, I have weeded out all the inferior products and have chosen my favorites that I install for my customers here in the Middle Tennessee area. Today, we're talking about pet doors. In a video not too long ago, I revealed the very pet door that I have here installed in my home for my dog Savannah. And I touched on the various reasons of why I prefer this pet door over all the others that are available. There'll be a link down in the description for that video, so be sure to check that out and it'll give you a complete rundown of why I prefer this pet door over all the others. But a question that I get regularly pertains to wind conditions. Some folks in the country can experience high winds at times, and they have reached out to me wondering if this premium pet door can withstand the winds. So today, we're going to put Savannah's pet door to the test. We'll be using this gas-powered leaf blower, the Stihl BG50, that is rated to produce up to 134 mile-an-hour winds. And we'll be taking readings using this anemometer to see at which point the flaps on the pet door break loose. So keep in mind, during windy conditions in the atmosphere, when the wind is blowing against your house, it's kind of covering the whole surface of your home and not necessarily pinpointed and directed dead center of the pet door. But we'll be using the leaf blower to try to simulate the winds that could push against the pet door and then see at what point the flaps actually break loose. So the plan is to get a little bit of assistance from my wife today. She'll be holding the anemometer as I slowly approach the pet door using the leaf blower, and we'll see at what point the flaps actually break loose, allowing wind to come into your home. And in real time, we're going to see the wind speed in which the anemometer is actually reading at the point that the flaps break loose. We're actually expecting storms today in our area, and the wind conditions are actually increasing as I'm taking this video right now. All right, so my beautiful wife, who does not want to be in the video, will be giving me a hand here. She'll be in charge of holding the anemometer to check the wind speed, and we've got that positioned right here to where we'll be filming that in real time together as I use the leaf blower and slowly approach the pet door. Savannah, you gonna help? Go inside. Go on inside. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, so that first attempt, we reached up to 70 mile-an-hour winds according to our anemometer, and that is without the security panel that we can slide in. So if you happen to have forecasted storms moving in or tornado type weather, then you can always slide your security panel in to help with the resistance. And we're gonna go ahead and slide that in next and then see how high we can get on the wind speed before the flaps break loose. And if you do some research, you're gonna find out that anything above 65 mile-an-hour wind gusts could potentially be tornadic type winds. So on normal windy days, the pet door should hold up just fine. Let's go ahead and run our second test. All right, we've got our security panel slid into place. Let's go ahead and fire up the blower. so our second test with the security panel in place showed that the wind speed that the flaps can resist actually increased by about 5 to 10 miles an hour. So sliding the security panel into place will definitely help. I am thoroughly impressed in how this premium pet door has performed in these high wind conditions. And I credit that to the strategically placed high-powered magnets that are around the bottom edge here. Now, we do offer 11 different sizes, so the larger the pet door, the more magnets that it'll have in place. And you couple that with the heavy-duty weather stripping pile that comes around the edge of the frame, is a great combination in providing a solution against these high wind gust conditions. I hope this video was helpful in showing you how great these premium pet doors hold up in windy conditions. If you're in the market for a pet door and you're looking for the absolute best, be sure to click the link down in the description to order yours today. And that price you see online does include ground shipping via UPS direct to you. And as always, thanks for watching. Goodbye.